Hey everyone, this is Katerina Christakos, and I'm giving you my review of Digital Worth, which, as you can see, I am logged into. I own a copy of. So, what is this? This is a training system that will take you from zero to making thousands of dollars every single month. So, how do they do it? Well, it starts with the training here, which teaches you how to research your niche, find products in that niche, and even more importantly, and most people are not really teaching how to do this, to know if the niche and the products are profitable before you do anything. Before you write an article, before you create a video, anything you're going to do, you want to know ahead of time if it's going to be profitable and how profitable the potential is. So this system teaches you this. So you do your research, and then you have more training on how to actually write your articles, pick the products. They've got tools here which have really blown my mind. The Commission Wizard, which will help you find products that you can sell. But the one I really, really like is this one, is the Diamond Keyword Miner. Because this tool shows you if something is profitable before you enter the market, before you sell a product. You're going to know ahead of time which areas to go for and which one just to leave alone and let somebody else try to get it. And it will compute for you what the approximate amount of money you'll make per month is, depending on the keyword. So that is a great feature I'm really, really loving. I also like their support. I asked a question, and within, I think it was 2 days, I got an answer, which is still pretty darn good. If you don't want to go the support route, you can do this. Go to community, to their Facebook page, and there's always someone there to answer your questions. Plus, it's a really, really good group. I mean, everyone's just rooting for each other. So, if you are starting out, or if you have been trying to do this for a very long time and you haven't succeeded, this is excellent, excellent training. And I truly believe if you implement what they tell you to and you ask questions and you just follow along, you will be able to make money with this. That's my honest opinion. If this is interesting to you, if you want to know step-by-step how to do this without the BS, click the link below and get yourself into this ASAP, because I think they are going to be closing the doors soon. Have a great day.